Good time, folks. 018 here. This is OX Force. I put the meter and the parts in the back here, Bill. You gotta take that thing apart. You said you're gonna work on it and all that. I did what you asked me to do. I put a driver in it, 2879 HG, retuned the input on the 2879, retuned the input on the 6-pill part. I put your stage switch here, driver on and off, hooked the variable back up, made it work. The rest of the stuff, all your little, you can take your little modulator out of there or whatever you put in there, and take your voltage meter stuff and all that, be in the amperage meter. Your shunt, your shunt, that's what I was trying to say. Your shunt is wrong for the China amp meter. It'll work on the regular amp meter, but on the China amp meter, you got it hooked up wrong. All that's on you. Like I said, I didn't go through here and do everything. All I did was what you asked me to. Fix the driver, put a 2879 in it, tune the input on the driver, fix the 6-pill, tune the input on it. Besides that, everything's just like you left it. Alright, let's see what she'll do here. First, let's look at our driver on, okay? Driver on Galaxy 88. Let's look at our reflect power. Get on down, get on down. Let me turn off my radio. Get on down, get on down. About 2 watts reflect. Input tune. Driver on. Get on down, get on down. That's a 1 pill into 6. Alright. Guys on slug, dead key. Turn it down a little bit. I'm scrolling down about 250. Alright. We're gonna hit the PP. Get on down in the corner. So the driver on, we're doing 1,000. Let's turn it down a little bit for the carrier. Alright, 2500 watt slug, peak. Get on down, 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 get on down. Do about 1100 with the driver down. Turn it, you can lower your deck key on the radio a little bit. You might want to do that. I had to hook the variable up so you have control of it. Get on down, geez, I got about 1200. That's with the 1x6 on, okay? We're right here, flip the driver down. Look at radio drive. Reflect power. Get on down, half watt. 1,000 watt slug. Of course, Decky's next to nothing. Radio ain't Decky much. 1,000 watt slug, radio drive. Get on down, get on down. Working my little 6-pill, radio drive. Working my little 6-pill, radio drive, radio drive. Get on down, 500. Alright. Input tune on the 6-pill section. Get on down, 0. Perfect. We're going to turn on the Texas Star 350. We're going to set our drive here. Oh, set our deck key. What you want to do, you always want to keep your deck key around 250, okay? Let me show you what we're doing here. Let me see. I'm going to turn this thing off just a minute. Here's what we're going to drive it with. Texas Star 2-pill driving. PP. Get on down, get on down. We're going to drive with about $1.60. About $1.60 drive. Turn it back on. Make sure your driver's off if you're going to drive it, okay? Reflect power. Get on down, 1.5. 1,000 watt slug. PP. Get on down, slam it. Get on down. 2,500 watt plus slug. Driven my Texas Star. PP. 6-pill, straight 6. Get on down, 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 get on down. Can't get with the program. Get on down, 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 get on down. That's the difference of a little drive. You know, 1500s. Get on down, get on down, get on down. Like I said, I did my part. The rest of that stuff in there that you're working on, sir, is on you. You can finish your job up. Maybe this will help you out. Everything's working. There she is, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend Tim, 018 Beavers. Catch me later.